You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in Italian. If you want to learn more Italian useful vocabulary, stay tuned. It's pronounced giù. It means down or downward. In Italian, it's the opposite of su. So you have su, which is up, and giù, which is down. Essentially, you can replace the gi here with just a j, and the u with double o, giù. Giù. I mean, it's not Jew, it's just giù. Giù is how to pronounce it, the Italian pronunciation. How to pronounce correctly, giù. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.